Hello, my name is Tom. Today, I go to the park. What is that? I am scared. Hello, big dog. Let's play together. Go get it! Yay, good boy! The big dog is my new friend. I love you, buddy. Hello! My name is Tom. This is my cat, Mimi. Go get it, Mimi. Mimi likes to play. Oh no, where's Mimi? Mimi, where did you go? Mimi, where are you? Mimi is not here. Maybe under the sofa. Excuse me, have you seen my cat?
Oh, hello, Tom.
No, I haven't. What does it look like?
He's orange with stripes.
Have you seen my cat?
No, I haven't. Is he missing?
Yes, since this morning.
I'll keep an eye out.
Look! There is Mimi!